Hello, my friends. My name is Sophia. Today, I will tell you a special story about a brave boy named Leo. It is about his first taxi ride home alone. Have you ever waited for someone, but they didn't come? Deep down, do you feel worried when you are alone? If that sounds like you, take a deep breath. You are not alone. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. The school bell rings. Children run and laugh, but Leo stands alone near a big tree. The leaves are red and beautiful. Leo wears a dark blue jacket. He looks at his watch. It is 5:30 p.m. The sky is changing from blue to dark orange. Leo is waiting for his father, Ethan. Ethan promised to take Leo to the cinema today. Leo is excited about the movie, but now he feels a little sad. His tummy is growling, grrr, because he is very hungry. He feels the cold wind on his face. Where is Dad? Leo thinks. He waits and waits, but the street is quiet. Leo takes a deep breath to stay calm. Back at the school, the wind is cold. Leo rubs his hands together. He is a little afraid, but he remembers a lesson from Mom. Stay calm, he whispers. Next, Leo sees the school guard. The guard has a bright yellow flashlight. Leo walks to him. Leo says, "Excuse me, Mr. Guard. My dad is late. Can I use your phone?" Leo calls his parents, but no one answers. Then Leo thinks quickly. He feels brave now. He takes a deep breath. He asks the guard to send a message. "Mom, Dad, don't worry. I am taking a taxi home." Leo is not a small child anymore. In this moment, he feels strong and independent. Next, Leo sees a yellow taxi. He waves his hand. The taxi stops. Leo opens the door and sits down. He puts on his seatbelt. Safety first. The driver is an old man with a kind smile. He looks at Leo in the mirror. The driver asks, "Good evening, little man. Where are your parents?" Leo looks at the driver and says, "I am going home alone today." Leo says, "Busy, brave." Leo says, "So I am taking a taxi now." Leo says, "Please take me to 123 Gray Street. Go past the big park and turn left at the bakery." The driver nods and starts the taxi meter. The taxi moves slowly. Leo looks at the bright lights outside. He feels like an adult. Finally, they arrive at a small white house. It is Leo's home. The taxi meter says $5. Leo takes out his wallet. He uses his pocket money to pay. He gives $10 to the driver. The driver gives him $5 back. "Here is your change and your receipt," the driver says. Leo says, "Thank you very much. Have a nice night." He is very polite. Leo steps out of the car and breathes the fresh night air. He is home. Now let's practice together. It is time for shadowing. I will say a sentence slowly, then you repeat after me. Are you ready? Sentence number 1. My phone is dead. Your turn. Good. Sentence number 2. I am taking a taxi home. Your turn. Excellent. Sentence number 3. Please take me to 123 Gray Street. Your turn. You are doing better than you think. One small step is enough. Before we finish, I have a small quiz for you. Do you remember the story? What did Leo use to pay the taxi? Is it A, his phone, or B, his pocket money? Think about it. The answer is B. Leo used his pocket money. He was very responsible. Did you get it right? Tell me in the comments. Suddenly, the front door opens. It is Ethan. He looks very tired and worried, but when he sees Leo, his eyes shine with happiness. Ethan runs to Leo and hugs him tightly. "I am so sorry, Leo," Ethan says. "I was stuck in traffic and my phone was dead." Leo smiles and pats his father's back. Leo says, "It is okay, Dad. I am safe. I am a big boy now." Inside the house, the air is warm and smells like delicious soup. Grace and Lily are there too. They are very proud of Leo. He is like a small superhero today. Today, Leo was very brave. He did not panic. He looked for help and solved the problem. But remember, my friends, going home alone can be dangerous for children. It is always better to wait for your parents in a safe place. Mistakes happen, like a dead phone or a traffic jam, but stay calm and think clearly. Life is a story, and today Leo has a very good story to tell. That is the story of Leo's first taxi ride. I hope you enjoyed it and learned some new words. What about you? Do you know your home address in English? Do you feel brave when you are alone? Tell me your story in the comments below. I love reading your messages. Thank you for watching and practicing with me today. You are doing a great job. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our family channel. Next week, we will go on a big trip together. You don't want to miss it. Bye-bye and see you soon.